Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and episode 3 of this carbon fiber journey for the BMW R1300 GS. And WRS always coming in clutch with super fast shipping with all the Ilmberger carbon fiber. Again, I've been going the forged carbon route, and I got these little lower side panels, whatever you want to call them. And so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I already unwrapped them from the bubble wrap, so don't need to waste your guys' time on it. So here they are. Incredible looking, right? Take it out in the sun. Always solid quality from Ilmberger, and all real carbon fiber, all original. Looks like it already has the tabs for it, and all I have to do is just one screw. And this, I believe, is the left side. And the other bag has the right side. Now these are super easy to install, so I'm not going to go through an install process on this. It's a no-brainer. It's just one screw. But here you go. Here's the other side. So slowly but surely, I'm completing what I want from a forged carbon look. It's not going to be every single part that I'm replacing, but some really nice accent pieces that I want to go with. I don't want to have too much carbon fiber because I think it just kind of takes away, gets a little cheesy and tacky. So that's just me, but that's what it looks like. Stunningly gorgeous, great quality, guys. Highly recommend them. And there's a couple other companies out there that are doing this stuff too. But these guys are the cream of the crop. So let's put these on. So there is the cover taken off. Here they are. Took off both sides. You'll see where I actually installed the ESC right from Heel Tech. That's the servo eliminator. Just kind of 3M taped it. It's been holding up pretty well with all the heat and everything. No problem, gets covered up by the cover, easy to access if I ever need to. Boom. So time to put this bad boy on and show you what they look like. All right, there it is. About 5 seconds later on each side. Pop them back in and they're done. So there you have it. Those are the Farkles from a forged carbon standpoint that I've added to the bike so far. Right, got the lower exhaust heat shield, these little side panels, got the console, the hand guards, I mean, the forged carbon just looks absolutely stunning. I love forged carbon. And there you have it, guys. Thanks again for subscribing to the channel and hitting those like buttons. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think in the previous episodes on the forged carbon. Based on the likes and comments, you guys really like this stuff. So again, it's not cheap, but you know, it does make the bike look stunning. All right, till next time.